The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is already making waves, promising to set a new standard for premium smartphones. From cutting-edge hardware to game-changing features, this lineup could redefine what we expect from flagship devices. But is it all hype? Or does the S25 series deliver on its promises? Let's dive deep into every detail, and trust me, there's a surprising twist at the end that might just change how you view this series. Samsung is raising the bar with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, now branded as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This processor isn't just about speed. It's specifically designed to elevate gaming, multitasking, and handling resource-intensive applications without breaking a sweat. What sets it apart is the exclusive Adreno Frame Motion Engine, a game-changer for gamers. Imagine playing your favorite titles at an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, even if they were originally optimized for just 60Hz. It's like getting a gaming hardware upgrade built directly into your phone. However, early benchmarks reveal a mixed bag. While it shines in GPU performance, the single-core score trails behind Apple's 17 Pro chip, raising questions about whether Samsung is optimizing for real-world use or falling short in head-to-head comparisons. The design of the Galaxy S25 series also demands attention. Leaks hint at the introduction of a new Galaxy S25 Slim model, featuring the revolutionary 200MP ISOCELL HP5 sensor. If true, mobile photography is about to reach unprecedented heights. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes elegance and performance to another level with its sleek, refined camera modules and high RAM configurations. However, one rumored detail has everyone talking. The Galaxy S25 Slim might launch later than its counterparts, making it one of the most highly anticipated additions to the series. Samsung's software is equally exciting. One UI 7.0, built on Android 15, promises a more seamless and intuitive experience. The redesigned Quick Panel separates notifications and quick settings for better organization, while smoother animations and customizable widgets elevate the home screen. Features like Samsung DX and enhanced routines turn the device into a true productivity powerhouse, appealing to professionals and power users alike. The Secure Folder, an iconic Samsung feature, is also set to improve, providing not just privacy but complete user control over sensitive data. It's a feature competitors like Apple and Google could learn from. But it's not all smooth sailing for the S25 series. Speculated price hikes have some fans questioning whether these features justify the added cost. Samsung appears to be targeting a niche audience, those who value cutting-edge technology and premium design over affordability. With rivals like the iPhone 16 Pro Max offering equally compelling hardware and software, the competition is tougher than ever. The real question becomes, does the Galaxy S25 Ultra's innovation outweigh its price tag? And there's more. Samsung is reportedly preparing pre-order promotions that could sweeten the deal, such as storage upgrades and no extra cost. Combine this with features like enhanced satellite connectivity, perfect for adventurers and travelers, and you start to see the bigger picture. The Galaxy S25 lineup isn't just about keeping up, it's about setting a new standard. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be Samsung's boldest move yet. With its revolutionary processor, redesigned UI, innovative camera features, and game-changing gaming capabilities, it's a device that promises to do more than ever before. But is it worth the wait and the price? Only time will tell if the S25 lineup can live up to its hype. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to make the Galaxy S25 your next upgrade? Or are you holding out for something better? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest in mobile tech. You won't want to miss what's coming next.